channel. So I'm very excited for this video. I'm actually going to be sharing with you my 3 favorite highlighting slash strobing techniques. So I'm going to show you how I highlight for a more subtle daytime look, and then I'm going to show you what I do for night out, and then I'm going to show you what I do when I want to be extra highlighted, when I want to take pictures, or just when I want to be very extra highlighted, as I said. So I really hope you will enjoy this video. Also, it's very exciting because I'm going to be using the new L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi line. I'm actually partnering with L'Oreal Paris for this video, but yeah, if you want to discover the new products from the new True Match Lumi collection and see how I use them for different glow levels, I guess, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so the first product I have is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Lotion. So it actually comes in 4 different shades for different skin tones. This is actually my favorite product from all the ones I'm going to share with you today, just because for me this is something I reach for on the daily. I can do so many different things with this. So the only one I haven't really used, just because recently I've been wearing self tanner, so I haven't been pale in a while, but this is the shade 901, which is very beautiful. If you have fair skin and looking for just something that's going to give you a very beautiful glow, it's beautiful. The second one I really like, it's 902. So this one has a bit of a pinky rose gold undertone to it, which I really like. And then we have the medium glow, which this one matches my skin tone the best right now. And then we have deep glow. So this product is great for you if you're looking to achieve a more subtle glow. So my favorite way to use this is mixed in with my foundation. I'll show you how I do that. But then I also like to mix the darkest shade with my body lotion. It gives a very beautiful glow, especially on your legs. But if you have an event or you just want to look extra glowy, it looks very nice also on your shoulders. So this is really nice. Also, if I'm not wearing any makeup that day and I just want a little pick-me-up, I would apply this all over my face and it would just make my skin glow a little bit. For today, I will mix the True Match Lumi Lotion in 903 and the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. If you have more oily skin and you still want a glow to your skin, I would recommend using a matte foundation, so your skin won't get too oily throughout the day, but you still have a nice glow. So, but this foundation is great for me because I have dry skin. The key to have a beautiful glowy complexion is definitely to use a damp sponge. So this one is from L'Oreal. I'm sorry there's some holes in it because my cats, they steal my sponges every single day. So yeah, I have to get a new one, but I still like it. So I will just, talking about my cats, here is one of them. So I will just blend everything together. Here she is. So this is what the foundation looks like. I really like it because it gives you like a subtle glow. It's not too much. My skin doesn't feel like super dewy and tacky or anything. This foundation actually sets pretty well. I talked about it before. But yeah, with mixed in with the Lotion, it just looks really pretty. I know this is like the subtle glow, but I want to show you that you can actually also use this on top of foundation to give you a subtle glow. So I mean, you can mix it in with your foundation, apply it on top too. It's definitely up to you. But for this, I'm gonna use the shade 902 just because this one is a little lighter, so it will highlight a bit more. So again, I just apply this with the sponge, and this is the shade with like the rose gold undertone. It's a very pretty one. And this will still give a very subtle glow just because, well, first it's applied with the sponge, so it just melts in the skin really well. But this is a very light product. Like, there's no chunky glitters or anything. It just gives a nice glow. So this is how I achieve an everyday subtle glow. So I really like it. This is definitely my favorite way to wear highlights, because, you know, in pictures a very intense highlight looks really good, but for every day, you know, for daytime, I think this is perfect. Your skin looks healthy, but it doesn't look unnatural. So then lastly, as I said, I really like to use these as like a body glow, so I will use the shade Deep Glow. So I actually have a tan right now, so that's why I can use the darkest one. I mean, it will still be a little dark for me, but that's okay. I like to apply this with a dual fiber brush, and I just apply it like that. It just makes my chest look very glistening, which I kind of like, especially since I'm gonna do something after. It's, you know, girls' night out. So I will just apply this on my chest, and I will apply the remaining on on my shoulder. Look at this. And this is more subtle, but it definitely gives you a glow. But you don't, if you look at my arm like in real life, it doesn't look like I have shimmer all over my arm, which, you know, is nice. It's just something that's gonna, you know, catch the eye, but it's not gonna blind nobody, which is, you know, maybe sometimes this is what you want, but no, this is the subtle glow. I'm highlighting my body. How subtle is that? I don't know, but yeah. See, my chest wasn't glistening earlier, and then just to make sure, you know, my face matches, I just like to go like this and sort of blend. Of course, I haven't done the rest of my makeup yet, so my face might look a little lighter. You can even, I mean, you can use this so many different ways. I can use this as a bronze, I mean, yeah, as a kind of a bronzer too, just to give myself a bit of a bronzy glow. Look at that. I barely have any product though on my brush, so it's just like the remaining. But hey, this is the subtle glow, everyday glow. I mean, it's subtle, but I mean, is it really subtle? I don't know, but this is subtle. So I just finished my makeup, so I applied bronzer, blush, and all of that. So all the makeup products that I use will be listed down below. But let's say I wanted to transition to nighttime and I wanted a more intense glow, I would use this product. So this is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glow Armoire. So it actually comes in 2 different shades. My favorite is definitely the this is Golden Hour, but if you have more fair skin, I would definitely recommend Daybreak, which is the pinky one. So this will give you a very intense glow. I'll show you how you can make it even more intense in a minute, but this is really nice. It gives you, especially the gold one, it just gives you like a very like bronze goddess type of look. I don't know, it's really nice. It's very gold and bronzy, so I will apply this for my nighttime look. Again, you can mix in with your foundation as well. I've done that in the past and it looks really nice, but I will apply directly where I usually highlight. This is like a little dropper, so it makes it super easy to apply. So I'll just do a few drops where I usually highlight. Also like to do the tip of my nose, chin, cupid's bow, a little bit on my forehead, but not too much. I mainly like to highlight this area right here. Then I'll take my sponge and blend everything. As you can see, like this gives a really nice glow. This is super easy, it takes like a minute and it gives like a very beautiful glow. And again, it's intense, but it still looks natural on the skin because it's a liquid, and also apply with a damp sponge. It just really blends in the skin, and yeah, it looks really nice. Finally, when I want a really intense glow, I will actually set my liquid cream highlight with a powder. So the one I'm going to be using today is from the True Match Lumi line. This is called the Glow Nude Highlighting Palette. There's actually 2 different palettes. So I have the pinky tone ones. This is in Moon Kissed, and then there's like a golden one. But usually I prefer golden highlights, but for some reason I just love this palette so much. My favorite shade is definitely this one right here. It just gives a very angelic looking look to your cheeks. It's very nice. But then I can actually use this one like on my cheeks if I want more of a like bronzer blush type of thing, and this could actually be a cute blush as well. I haven't really used this one as a blush, but then this one I also like on my eyes, in my inner corner, on my cupid's bow. Sorry, that was my cat. On my cupid's bow, it's really nice. But yeah, these I can use on my face and on my eyes as well. The first shade I'll go is this one right here. Definitely my favorite from the palette. So this will just give me a very intense glow. So as you can see, it's very pretty, but like it's not too light for me, which sometimes like pinky tone highlights can be a little too light when I have my tan. But this one looks really nice. It's more of a beigey pink, I would say, this shade. Then again, I will highlight the center of my face, and I will just pick the like white one here. I'm actually gonna apply this like directly on my cupid's bow. I could also, you know, apply a little bit, why not, I'm actually gonna mix these two shades right here, and I'm gonna apply that on my shoulder. You see how nice this looks? Hey. And then I mean, this is kind of a big brush to do that, but that's okay. I will apply some right on my lids right here. I'm not wearing any eyeshadows today, and I'm actually going to take the darkest one as well, apply it more in the center. But even apply just a little bit. Let's do the pinky one here. I'm going to apply just a little bit on like the center of my lips, and then I could apply a lip balm. This is what I like to do when I really want to be super extra glowy. Lastly, what you can do to make it, you know, a bit more natural is just take the damp sponge again and just make sure all the powder is blended really well with the foundation. So this is the final look. Let me know which is your favorite like glow. I think my favorite would definitely be the #1 for, you know, subtle glow for daytime, or #2. I mean, I really like this. I think it looks beautiful in pictures and for events, but what I do most of the time is definitely the subtle glow for daytime, and then the more intense glow for nighttime. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was very fun to film. All the products that I use will be listed down below, and of course all the products that I use off camera will also be listed, but a video on this look is coming up soon. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye.